Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 3. The Karnataka BJP is ready to stake claim to form the government after the trust vote sounded the death knell for the Congress-JDS coalition. BJP State President B.S. Yediyurappa is awaiting instructions from New Delhi before heading to the Raj Bhavan later today. Earlier, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra warned the BJP that they cannot buy everything, giving voice again to the Congress's charge that the rebel MLAs were poached by the BJP. After the decisive trust vote in the Karnataka Assembly yesterday, now the fate of the 15 rebel MLAs hangs in the balance. The Speaker K.R. Ramesh is yet to decide on their resignations, while their parties have sought their disqualification. It is believed that some of them may have been offered ministerial posts in the B.S. Yediyurappa-led BJP government that may take charge, but that would depend on the Speaker's decision on the rebels' fate. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in Parliament once again clarified that India had not sought US arbitration on the Kashmir conflict. He said that the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar was present at the meeting between Trump and PM Modi in Osaka and that no such conversation as claimed by the US President had happened. Opposition members, however, in the Lok Sabha staged a walkout over the matter. The chief economic advisor to US President Donald Trump told the media that it is very rude to ask if the president makes things up. Trump's top advisor Larry Kudlow was responding to a question posed by a journalist who was following up on Trump's remarks on the Kashmir issue. Earlier, foreign policy veteran Nicholas Burns had said that New Delhi's rebuttal to Trump's claim was embarrassing and that this is what happens when you make things up. After an Anganwadi centre in Karera in Madhya Pradesh was found using a compact kitchen-cum-toilet, Minister Imarti Devi sought to downplay the incident and said that it is okay to cook in the toilet if a partition exists between the latrine and the stove. She even said that utensils can be kept on the toilet seat, but assured that an inquiry would be conducted into the case. Pakistan Prime Minister at a Capitol Hill reception in the United States admitted that there were 40 terror groups once operating on Pakistani soil. He said that successive Pakistani governments, especially over the last 15 years, did not tell the truth about the ground situation. He said that part of the reason was that the Pakistan governments were not in control. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.